Good day, people. Welcome to Bitok Bitok University, and with the kiddos at the back. Hi, Ella.
We just got here.
Yeah, hi, Ella. Hi. Actually, wako ka record ka kanina. This is my first na vlog nga maglag for 2018. Kaya siyempre, basta kay busy ko the entire December. So, kasagara na ko ang lag na ko January na. So karon nami karon diri nakita na ko ni sa Facebook nindot kay ni bag-o ni siya nasa Libertad. Ang tawag ani nga resort is the Sea Resort. It's very nice. Actually ganina nag-record ako, wala dito na record. So nag-record ako pero di ko na. It's very nice. So among giko nga room is kay 20 man may grupo man may so pwede ra. And just stay there, we will get the bags. Okay, so wow, nice kay din na sila yung tent, na pool. And look at that, the back. Oh, so nice, no? Plastic kayo, no? Hindot kayo, no? Oh, na yung mga coconut trees. Tapos na dako kayo nga murag event venue dito sa kuan. The price medyo dili gyud siya nga nakamasa. Well, for me, sa mga resort sad kung gusto sa kagnindot nga service o kan, medyo dili gyud na ingon nga grabe gyud ka barato, di ka barat. Sakto lang gyud.
So wala sila restaurant.
Di ba? So there, so na sila yung murag area diri nga murag na company. So there is the hotel actually. I mean the pool is there. Look at that. Haha. Zoom in. There. Uy, si Nemo. Nida ko na si Nemo, ni gawas yang ilong. Look, falls there. Oh, so nice. Naikoy. Na sila yung burag tent there. Burag resort. Tapos na dagat sa unahan. So really nice. Okay. Sige boss, sige boss. Oh, this resort is really nice.
Yeah.
No? Oh, nice kaya nga resort. Actually, wa pa din sila nag-open. Soft opening pa lang din eh. Yes. Say hi, Ella. Hi. Guwapo kaya nga resort. Kalubihan na daw ni sa una. Tapos ang tag-iya, yung gimo ng resort siya tanan na nagbuhat. So, perfect for garden wedding. Napos sila function. Perfect. Now, muni ang makita nimo sa likod. Ang iyading atbang nakalamin ni kay Bora siya naka sa farm plus napagi beach sa likod. Oh yeah. And here's the thing, guys. There's a secret what's that? Stairway? Ladder? What do you call this? Stairs. Going down to the secret garden.
What do you call this, a ladder?
No, it's just stairs.
You said it's ladder.
No, I said stairs.
You said ladder.
You're deaf.
No, you're deaf.
You're bungol. Don't ruin my reputation, Raver. Alright, let's go to the secret garden. That kid at the back who is very fat, that's my eldest son.
I did you.
With the fam bam. Oh, this is nice. This is a secret garden, unfinished secret garden. No, you'll just face the. Wow, so nice, no?
It's dangerous.
What?
Oh my God, we have a Colosseum over there.
So you can shout anything you want here. If you're stressed, then you shout.
Like the clouds.
Yeah.
Not that premise. Like that.
Yeah, shout. You shout the name of the person you really hate most.
No one!
You. Or you can shout the person you love. I love you, then the name.
No. Hey, Amber!
No,
Come here,
I
come.
won't say it.
God!
What?
You
Who?
just say, I love mommy, like that.
Like that lang. To be
I
safe.
love mommy! I love mommy and daddy and Kuya! Ella, how about you?
You shout, Ella.
I hate Ella!
Hey, stop it. You guys might fall over there. Look at that. Can you see? Can you hear the breeze?
Daddy, I want to go back to my house.
What?
I want to go back to my house.
Your house? You have a house?
Obviously.
The room.
I want to go in the room. I want to get this swimming suit.
Swimming suit? Alright, let's go. Let's swim. Right, Elisa ta. With mommy and daddy. Come on, let's go. Let's swim. Let's swim.
Mommy, can I borrow?
Hey, wait. I need to shout. I love you, mommy! Okay. No effect. Wala man, I'm facing the camera to my face. So they have nice tent like that. They're like those, many of those. They have also that one, like a 2-story apartment. They have a function room, the red one. And by the way, I'm not paid for this. Even discounts I don't have. So kung nakita ang tagiyaani, next na ko balik, bayad na. And of course, to be safe, they have life jackets. The room, baby. There, so cold. Yes. Yes. It's good for how many people? Whole family. Actually, karon pila ta? Apat ka family ta ba? So 4 families me later. Nice. Worth it. So maliban sa among room dito, napon may cottage nga doon sa pool. So karon sa nagtipan ni wala pa daw sila restaurant kay kamulo pa man sila og construct. Tanaw ninyo. There na pay construction. There, di ba? So kamulo pa. So for the meantime, nagdala mi og kanang mga pang-camping na mo pang stove. Ayan magluto sa mi. Let's try.
Landing.
Yo people, yeah. Waka masuya sa akong nakita nga view. My God. Boss, yes boss. May magtawag suga. Larga boss, may problema. Wow, di ba? Di ka ko naligo. O, di ba? Yeah. Jericho Rosales. and watching vlog ni Will Dasovich. Okay, and padulong na gabi din eh. Nice kayong view, bugnaw hangin, makalimot siya kasi yung mga kuan diri ba, yung mga utang gadget. It's really nice. Yun ang gusto nga mabalik ko diri silang grand opening kayo pa sila grand opening, mag-close pa sila karong 9 kaya na sila usabon na pod may adjust, but it's really nice here. Nag-post pa lang galing ko sa Facebook na ganyan ang utahan na adapit. In fairness, ang landscape, social, ang mga cottages, social ang design, nili pipitsugin. Perfect. Alright. That's it for now, people. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. English din. No. Thank you, people.
Makalagot nga makita nga inanaka ang kalipay nga susama sa